Okay, my tall ladies, get excited. Last winter, one of the most common comments that I got or requests that I got was full length Latin tights. They keep telling me my ankles are cold. So this winter your ankles are not gonna be cold. So we have our popular Latin tight pockets, just black on a 28-inch inseam. You can see I have them all over my feet. I am 5'2¾", so they are super long on me. But you that are taller, you're gonna love them. I feel like this one, it can either true to size or you can size up. They feel a little bit tight on my legs. You guys know I'm just in between sizes. This is a size 2 and it feels fine on the waist, but it feels a little bit tight on the legs, and it's probably because of the pockets. But everything else is up to you. If you like compression or if you don't like it as tight, then size up 1 and you'll be happy. High-waisted pockets, 28-inch inseam. Enjoy.